What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada here with the best credit blueprint, guys. Today I want to show you how to get your flagship credit card for Navy Federal. Guys, this is up to an $80,000 credit card from the personal side that can help you actually increase your ability to get more credit cards. Guys, stay tuned. What's going on, credit snipers? Once again, this is your boy Carlos Estrada here with the best credit blueprint, guys. I'm happy that you guys are here today. Hey, if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel, guys. It's gonna be an awesome video. So I'm gonna ask you to, before we even start, like and share. I want you to subscribe and like and share with at least three new people. Now, at the same time, I want you to go ahead and click on that bell icon. That bell icon and the all button will actually allow you to get all the videos that I post every single day. It will notify you with every new content that we put out every single day. Now, I'm not gonna ask you for a personal favor. Please give me the thumbs up. The thumbs up is going to help me out with the YouTube algorithm in order for me to reach out to many more thousands out there. My goal is to help America to actually reach the 800 club, guys, and I want to help you to actually get to that and finally be able to actually get one of those credit cards like the Flagship that's going to help you to actually increase your score, but at the same time your ability to get even higher and higher credit card limits. Now, guys, before I continue, let me tell you about Navy Federal. Now, Navy Federal is one of the best credit unions out there. I believe it's the best credit union in the United States. Now, why I tell you that? Not only because I'm biased, yes, I am in the military. A lot of you know my background. Navy Federal is one of those banks that actually not only gives you the best rate when it comes to car loans, home loans. For military members, you have the VA loans, which actually gives you 100% of funding for a home loan with no PMI, which means that you don't have to pay any insurance on your loan, because usually anything over 90% that you fund, if you have to pay more than 90%, you will have to pay a PMI, which is insurance. Now, that is great. I mean, they are a relationship bank. As soon as you get in with them, they have the ability not only to help you with obviously vehicle loans, they have the ability to help you with home. They have one of the best rates. Credit card loans, credit cards for personal side, but also they have the business size. So I could attest to this. Just in a matter of a month, I've been able to get between $126,000 in lending, from a car loan to a personal Flagship, a Go Rewards, and then a Go Biz credit card for my business. Now, I could tell you that the longer that you are a member of Navy Federal, the longer that you are going to be able to qualify for what they call basis points. So basis points is from the moment that you actually become a member with Navy Federal, you start inquiring, or that you start accumulating points, meaning that your relationship that you have with this bank or with these credit unions. So the more you have, the best, or the ability that you have to actually qualify for many loans and so on. Now, something that I gotta tell you is Navy Federal pulls from TransUnion only. So, guys, one thing that I want to tell you, there's a lot of perks of being part of Navy Federal Credit Union. And one of them that I want to talk to you about today, it is about the Flagship credit card. The Flagship credit card could give you up to $80,000 in spending. So that's the highest that they can go on that. And this one is an $80,000 credit card. And I'm going to tell you how I got it. Now, one of the main things you got to understand is, hey, you need to start learning about your credit. You need to start learning what helps you, what takes away from your points or your credit score, what damages your credit score, and how you use your credit, guys. The proper utilization, the proper credit limits that you have, the age, the increase. These are all factors that not only affect, but also will help you get future funding. So imagine that you're actually imagine yourself going to a dealership today, and not knowing, one, what's your credit score, two, what's out there, and you walking there hoping and praying to the Lord or any God that you have to be qualified or be approved to actually get a car loan. One of the main things you're going to understand, let's just say, for example, you walk into a dealership, is that as soon as you go in there, they're going to try to sell you a vehicle, whatever vehicle you want. One of the main things that they're going to do, they're going to take your credit score. If what you're doing is actually going to get approved through the dealership, and they're going to try to get you approved, which means they're going to buy you and shop you through every vendor available. If it takes 13 to 15, guys, 13 to 15 you'll go through. Now, I would advise you to not only learn the game, learn the blueprint, learn how to read and know what you have in your credit score. Guys, at the end of this video, in my descriptions, I'm going to give you a free document. It's called the Remastered Secrets Lenders List. Now, in this document, I show you every vendor that we have in the United States, not only what bureau do they pull from, the credit score needed, and approximately how much you'll get with your credit score. Now, Navy Federal is one of those, and it is in this document. Go ahead, it's free for you, my gift from us to you. But what I'm trying to say is, if you know your power on what your credit score you have, you want to go first, let's just say, to a credit union, let's say Navy Federal Credit Union, and get pre-approved for a car. Then you walk in and say, I have my spending power, I have $40,000 here. You don't have to tell them, say, I get that car. And also, use your tools. Now negotiate, because you know the highest you could go is $40,000, and the vehicle's at $38,000 right now. Hey, you know what? Let's negotiate. If I pay your cash right now, I want that vehicle for $30,000. Hey, use your power. It's good to have your power in your pocket, and you have the control over the negotiations, than not knowing what can possibly happen and pray to every Lord, every God that you have out there in order to get approved. I could bet that if you do this, guys, the APR, the interest rate that you're gonna walk out of there, you might end up with the vehicle, but with a higher payment and with an interest rate that may be to the roof. Guys, I remember that I got a car loan from them, from Navy Fed. In the same week, what I did, I went through the Flagship, but obviously. So one thing you got to keep in mind is your credit score has to be over 740. 740 to apply for this type of cars. And Navy Federal has the Platinum card, which is pretty much the basis card for you to apply. And you should start, I mean, if you're not there, if you're in the 600, guys, start with something 680. As a matter of fact, they have the 680 American Express. If you score 680 and above, guys, also apply. That's your personal side. Now, in order to actually apply for a Flagship, you need to be at 740 and above. So what I did in a week, I applied to 3 different cards all at once. All at once is what I did. I opened 3 browsers, 3 different browsers, and I went ahead and I checked my credit score first. Wanted to make sure that I was there. Obviously, my credit score is over 781 right now. It's at 804, the max. But so I knew that what I had and what I could do. Now, keep in mind too that it doesn't only take for you to get to an 800 credit score. It also takes a proper utilization, the proper mix of accounts in within your credit score and your credit report. So that's something else that we teach you in the Best Credit Blueprint, guys. So you need to understand this. And I understand that there are so many credit repair companies out there, and some of them are lucrative, some of them, they just string you along month to month and take your money. To me, that's unethical. That happened to me. I was fed up with it. The last thing that happened to me was a friend of a friend charged me $600. And guess what? That person took off with my money. Guys, I was fed up. I said, I'm going to develop. I'm going to create a blueprint for myself. And this system was created for myself because I wanted to be somebody else. But you know what? I'm not the only one in the same boat. I know that many of you are there, and I want to help you. I want to show you today what I've created that can help you too, and definitely give you what you are looking for, not only with freedom personally, but also the ability to create a business. So guys, so what I obviously I knew my credit score already. I know what I got it to. I know I have the proper mixture of credit cards or and loans or revolving accounts. And I applied. So I applied for three. So I applied for this one, the Gold Rewards, and the Platinum card. So what happened is, out of the three, I opened three different browsers. I completed the applications, didn't submit. Once everything was ready, I submitted one after the other, less than 5 seconds. Came back. 2 out of 3. 2 got us approved, 1 got denied. Got this one for $75,000. And I got my Gold Rewards for, what was it? I think it was $12,000. And I'm out of that. Now, once I had this, I let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours. And then I walked into Navy Federal. And I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I applied for a car loan. Guess why I applied for a car loan? I got approved for a $52,000 car loan. And within the same week, I waited almost 6-7 days. I then applied for a GoBiz credit card. And with a GoBiz credit card, I got approved for $25,000. So what I'm saying is, if you know what you have in your hand and you know the power that you have, and you learn this system, you learn your own system. Guys, I want to teach you how to fish, not just give you the fish. Because if I give you the fish today, I'm just going to feed you for today. And guess what's going to happen tomorrow? You are going to be looking for the same system all over again, the same service all over again, and you cannot help yourself and you cannot help the people around you. I want you to learn the system that has actually affected us for so many years. It did affect me, it affected my whole family. But you know what? Today I'm actually helping them. I'm helping the people around me, the most dear friends to me, and I'm always giving advice. I love it. This is a passion for me. I love to learn this. There's always new tricks of the trade that I actually learning by doing, and I put myself as a guinea pig. A lot of the tricks that I tried don't work, but I only bring to you the ones that work, and there are many. So there are many more that I have tried that I find it unethical to give them to you, just like all the companies, just to make a buck. Now, guys, I want to make sure that we all create wealth, because once you have credit, especially if you are over 781, guess what, guys? If you are over 781, did you know that you are worth almost $400,000? That's what it is, because you have the ability to get the credit over $400,000, and you know what you could do with all that money. Now, if you're smart and you actually put your money to work, you could create a business. You could make so many things. You could change the world. You could change the life of the people around you, your life, create wealth, and create legacy. So legacy and wealth for your family, guys. Hey, I want to make sure that I help you, but I wanted to show you and tell you how you can get. So, hey, 740, that's what you need. You can apply. You can also go. Now, if you cannot become a member of Navy Federal because you don't have a sponsorship, or you're not a sponsor, meaning that you haven't been in the military or don't have a family member that's a military member, guys, I'm willing to give you my referral code, but that's as a gift to come into my course. I will give you my referral code for you to actually get into Navy Federal and then follow the steps. And what we could do is, guys, we have coaching calls every week. We could talk about that. We could also go in depth on how to properly do it and some other trick of the trades. So in order for you to actually increase your score and use this credit union wisely and ethically for you to actually create wealth for yourself. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the Best Credit Blueprint. I appreciate that you guys are here today. I want you to please go ahead and share this video. Share with a friend, share with a family member, share with whoever you think can benefit from it. 3 people. Hey, I want you to subscribe if this was your first time here. Like and share. Also, make sure you click on that bell icon and click on all so like that you'll be notified for every video that we post every single day. Give me the thumbs up. I want to reach more and more. Many of you are there. I want to change your life. I want to change the life for a lot of other people, just like I was able to change mine. Guys, thank you for being here today. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the Best Credit Blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.